Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology True or False, Part 13. Without wasting any more of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water, in the presence of light, are used to form sugars and oxygen gas. True. Microscopes produce images by focusing light rays and beams of cells. False. Unlike smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum has lipids attached to it. True. Enzymes in the rough endoplasmic reticulum attach carbohydrates and lipids to protein. False. Cell specialization means that the cells in an organism are uniquely suited to reproduce themselves. False. A typical organ is made up of many different kinds of cells and tissues. True. A red blood cell placed in pure water will shrink. False. There is a division of labor among the cells of multicellular organisms. True. The energy in most food comes from the sunlight. True. ADP is one of the principal chemical compounds that living things use to store energy. False. Heterotrophs require energy, oxygen. True. Eukaryotes contain specialized structures that perform important cellular functions. These structures are called organelles. True. ATP synthesis depends directly on the availability of light energy. False. During cell division, chromatin condenses to form centrioles, which are thread-like structures containing genetic material. False. The basic unit of matter is the molecule. False. If a cell contains a nucleus, it must be a prokaryote. False. If a cell can capture energy by photosynthesis, it is a eukaryote. False. Without oxygen, a cell will soon die due to the lack of energy. False. According to the principles of monoculture, a sustainable system is efficient when it consumes as little energy and material as possible. False. Old growth forests are usually considered renewable resources. False. Large amounts of sewage cause a lot of algae to grow, which lowers the concentration of carbon dioxide in the water. False. Carbon dioxide is helpful when it is high in the atmosphere, but is harmful to human health when it is so close enough to the ground for people to breathe. False. Hello, my friend. Thank you very much for attending to Biology True or False, Part 13. Let us meet again in another series of Biology True or False, Part 14. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.